So the biggest challenge with simple past tense are irregular verbs. As we know, the verbs can be regular and irregular. If you want to use a regular verb in simple past tense, all you need to do is to add the ed at the end. Let's compare this with simple present tense. I work at Burger King. This is a simple present sentence. And I worked at Burger King. This would be a simple past sentence. The good news is that this will work for every person. I, you, we, they, he, she, it worked at Burger King. Note, however, that there are a few rules that we need to follow even with the regular verbs. If the word ends in E, we will only have to add the letter D. Smile and smiled. Consonant and Y, we will drop the Y and replace it with IED. Try and tried. A consonant, a vowel, and a consonant, we double the last letter and then add ED. Stop and stopped. Unfortunately, there are many verbs that are irregular, where there is no rule to follow. You will just have to memorize them. So let's see some in this table. The first column shows the base verbs and the second the same verb in a simple past form. Be, was, where. Break, broke. Buy, bought. Come, came. Cut, cut. Do, did. Eat, ate. Get, got. Go, went. Sleep, slept. Speak, spoke. Take, took. Write, wrote. You have probably noticed that one word did not change from its base form. It's the word cut. There are many words like this, and they can be confusing. See the example below. I cut my finger. This could be a simple present or a simple past sentence. To see which one it is, we need to know the context. Also, you have probably noticed that the verb be has two different simple past forms, was and were. This is because the simple past form of the verb be needs to be conjugated. Just like in this table. I, he, she, it was. We, you, they were. See this video if you want to know more about verb conjugation.